All right, taking a look at item number 10, I'm going to make a few suggestions as to the construction of this object. And what I've already done is I've created the triangle to the appropriate size and shape. In this case, I just went across the bottom, making a 4-inch line. From the midpoint, I came up the 3.5 inches, 1, 2, 3.5 inches to the peak, and then I pulled it across the width of 3. So that's where we're picking up over here. Common mistake that is made, and I'll show you that here, is in this cutout of this 1-inch center portion that is missing. And I'll show you what I commonly see and then what should actually take place. And if I come here and I measure down along this slope surface 1 inch and I put a line, that's commonly where I see people taking their measurements. And then I come down along this vertical face. What you'll see is if I bring a straight line over and then come straight across this edge, is that this 1-inch measurement doesn't align with this 1-inch measurement. This line down here is where the 1-inch cutout should fall because it's a vertical measurement in the dimensions given to you. So what I'm going to do is come over in the red and then bring that line straight across in the green. And now I just need to find where that cutout falls, which is 1 inch in from each edge. It's the middle third that's missing. So I'll come in 1 inch, snap there. The pink line is telling you you're aligned with a face, and that midpoint is good. And this is not a tool that you can push-pull through. So you're not able to just simply push-pull across this surface because it's sloped. All right, see if I can get this to line up. Pink edge. If the pink edge doesn't stay lit, you can hold the shift key down and it will stay locked onto that edge. And at this point, I can now come back, hit the eraser tool, and eliminate that edge. So what I've done is I've opened this surface. What I'm going to now do is put a line back in between these corners, which should snap these surfaces closed. All right, with that taking place, I can now right-click and reverse this face and clean up the reference lines that I started with. So I now have the cutout that is 1 inch vertically, not along the diagonal, that we should be after.